Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset itel S23 smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password pin or pattern. As you can see, wrong pin. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password pin or pattern. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone, press the power button, and now tap to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now guys, listen carefully. You can see the power button and volume down button. First press the power button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now release the power button and keep pressing the volume down button. Press and hold it, and now release. And here you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Now here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset. Here go to wipe data factory reset. As you can see, here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And as you can see, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Go to factory data reset and confirm. And you can see data wipe complete. On bottom you can see data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after a hard reset may take some time to boot up the device, and after a hard reset again ask for password pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset itel S23 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.